OpenBoxes users. In this session, let's talk about the forecast report. Forecast report is one way that the users can use to determine how much to order of each item, and the forecasting report takes into account the demand for these items and also includes or takes information of the amount on orders that you've received, the on-hand quantity, and also considers the expiring products. It also, if you want a flexible forecast, that also considers the lead time. Forecasting report would be a great addition to your forecasting process. So let's take a look of how to run the forecasting report. So under reporting, go to forecast report under order reports. On this page, we'll have to enter some data for the report to run. So the location is automatically selected. For the demand date range, select the time frame that you want OpenBoxes to consider the request from which it will calculate the average demand for the products that you will look at. So for this session, let's start from March to May 1st. Order period is the period that you want to forecast for, or the period of time the order is in 4 days. For example, to forecast for a 6-month order, enter 180 days. And then depending on that, you can change the order period here. The lead time, so this is the number of days you expect it will take from the time of order for the goods to arrive. So here you can say, again, if it's a 6-month lead time, you can enter 180 days. If you know the lead time is less than that, you can make those changes, or more than that, you can make those specific changes. Demand destination, if you want to check out demands for a specific destination or a specific requester that you provide to, you can select that from here, or you can just leave that empty and it will calculate the average demand for all the destinations. If you are looking for forecasting a specific category of products, you can select that category. So let's say for this forecasting period, I want to look at all the lab supplies. If you are looking for a specific products under a specific tab, such as oncology, orthoclinical diagnostics, you can add that tag here as well. Once you've entered all the information, you can hit download. So it will just download an Excel file with all the information that you entered. So let's open that file. And here you can hit enable editing. So now you can make changes and add filters to this Excel file. So let's go ahead and add a filter by going to sort and filter. So here let's expand on the name. And here we also have the product code. So we have the product code, product name, the order period is 180 days. The lead time that we entered is 180 as well. Quantity on order, meaning if these products are currently on a purchase order. So that will also determine how much you need to order, because there are already some in order that you'll be receiving soon. So it looks like there are none of these products on a purchase order right now. Quantity on hand, how much of these products we have at the storage right now or the warehouse. Quantity expiring within that time period. It looks like this product specifically is going to, all of this is going to expire within that 180 time period that we had designated. And the quantity available. So the average demand per month, here it's calculated. For this one, it looks like it's 3 per month. We also have months of stock needed, which is order period plus lead time in months. Quantity needed, quantity to order, and estimated cost. So this can be a good baseline or a good resource for your team to determine how much you should order. And depending on these information, you can do your own calculations to order the correct amount that you know the facility will need. Thank you for watching.